Hello, good people. I would like to welcome you aboard our flagship.
Глупец!
If you would please ensure that your trays are in the upright position, your seatbelts are securely fastened, all cell phones are turned onto wing mode, and you have signed a waiver form. We'll be taking off in our next mission in this woefully underpowered flying wing to garner juicy credits and burst endorphins for scraps. Our first order of flights consisted of traveling to the water treatment plant to pick up a few dozen jerry cans of water, each holding at least 5 gallons of highly chemicalized and what must be potent H2O to help put out the raging nuclear meltdown happening on the north of the desert lands. After a few more successful but laboriously fulfilled quests, it was finally time to add on the much-needed power of jet engines to the flying wing. Let's just say that this particular upgrade did not yield the expected results.
Глупец!
It was back to the drawing board seeking the wing's need in engine thrust. After some debate and internal struggle with comprehension, 8 small engines would adorn the wing. The tail wings would be scrapped, turning the
Глупец!
into a legitimate flying wing.